Hey, what's up guys? How you guys doing? Today is Monday, July 15. It's about 7:30 a.m. in the morning, 7:32 to be exact. We're gonna be doing a lot of things today. We're gonna go on a blog where we are going to be trading around 8:30 a.m. when the market opens in the New York session. I sent you guys the analysis yesterday on my YouTube channel. I have the link in the description down below. I gave you all my analysis and what I'm expecting for the market to do today. So I hope everything goes well. I'm about to get ready. I'm gonna go shower. I'm gonna start trading. I'm gonna run for a cup of coffee, and then after that, I have an invitation. I have an invitation to be a podcast guest, and I'm just gonna run you guys throughout my day. And then, like always, at the end of the video, I'm just gonna give you my trade recap part of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys follow up, and let's get ready and let's start the day off. Okay, so now we're in the market. We already took our first position. It was a buy on US 30. I gave you the analysis on the latest video on my YouTube. I give you the description down below. And this is how it's currently going. We're profitable and we're about to close the trade because I'm about to head out and I don't want to have no open positions as of right now. I took a pretty good trade. It's a pretty good entry, and since I already made some profit, I'm just gonna call it a day and just move on with my day. Okay, so we're in the elevator, we're ready to go. Let's go to the pool for a little bit and enjoy a little bit of 30 minutes swimming in the pool. So let's get to it. I like this place a lot because we also have like a little VIP section, as you guys can see, and we have the beds over here as well, and it's pretty dope, man. It's pretty good apartment complex. This is the pool. Just gonna get into it right now, so let's do it. I like to relax as well. I like to reset my mind and also think about the new things or the new goals that I would like to accomplish and what I need in order to accomplish those goals. I am a very driven person and I'm always thinking, what can I do next? And yeah, this is pretty much where I spend my time. I like to reset my mind as well. So okay, so we made it back home. We came back from the pool. Now we're gonna take a little shower and we're gonna get ready for the podcast and show you guys how it goes. So let's get to it. We finished the podcast and I had to come back real quick to my barbershop because I had to get something done. I had to open up for a barber that was gonna come work here, and yeah, pretty much it. I already did the podcast. I'm gonna send you guys the little clips that I could take. I couldn't take a lot of clips because they were kind of like strict about it. So yeah, that's about it. The day trading was done and I pretty much got the whole day for myself now. So I'm probably just gonna go get something to eat real quick, and then I'm going to go to the mall because I have need to buy some stuff. And from there I'm just gonna go back to the studio. I might go back to my apartment, play a little pool. I like to play a little pool right after like I'm editing my videos and stuff, just to have like a little quick break. And from there I'm just gonna go edit the breakdown of today's trade, and stay tuned for today's trade to the chart portion of this video. So let's get it. We're done for today. We already went to the podcast. I went to my barbershop. I also day traded. I also went to the pool because I have free time. Now I'm just going to relax, play a little bit of pool, and then I'm gonna get on the charts and break down the trade that I took today, which was roughly about 200 points. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is the chart or technical analysis portion of the video. This is basically the trade that I took today. Today is Monday, it is July 15. And as you guys saw in the previous vlog type of video, I sent you guys the analysis or the upgoing trade that I took. This was the position that I took, and these were all the confirmations that made me want to take that trade. And I'm gonna explain everything in a second. Just stay tuned, guys, and I hope you guys get to understand this the way I'm trying to explain it. So let's get to it. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna mark these confirmations with a little highlighting tool. Okay, so now, as you guys can see, the confirmations that I took, or that made me want to take the trade confidently enough, where we were in a bullish market structure. That's one. Also, we managed to have a 76% Fibonacci retracement level. That's pretty key. If you know my strategy, you know how I trade, you know that this potential retracement around the 76 to the 78% is very golden zone for me to take an entry. So this was a pretty good green flag that made me confident enough to take the trade. And also, after we have a big drop, we also opened up with a bullish candle, which made me believe that the market was going to change its direction to the upside. So that's why I took that trade. So I'm gonna put it a little bit, I'm gonna explain it a little bit better with the replay tool and show you guys exactly why was it that I took that trade. So as you guys can see, this was market open for the beginning of the week. This was Sunday at 5 o'clock. So this is where I consider the opening of the market. So as you guys can see, this is the structure or the lows or the resistance for this day. So what I did at this point, I didn't care about none of this. I just cared about where the market opened. So from there, I have to know exactly where could potentially price go. So after I saw that the price was actually climbing up to the upside, I decided to use these two big engulfing candles as a resistance or lowest point for my Fibonacci 2 level. After it broke that structure, I used the Fibonacci tool like around right here where the big bullish engulfing candle began. This is where I took my lowest point up to the highest point right here, this is the highest point because this is where the market decided to push, and then it started to make an exhaustion in the market, and it made it retrace where I usually use the Fibonacci tool retracement. So at this point, I'm just expecting the price to come around this price, Usually this is where I take my entries. And usually when the price retraces up to these points, I have to see one or two things. I have to see the price to not get liquidated, and I also have to see the price to respect the area and make a confirmation that the price might wanna turn bullish. So this is what happened. I'm in the replay mode, and I'm gonna play exactly as if I were in the market live. So let's do it. So after we got this big retracement, so the retracement, yeah. Okay, so here is where I took the entry. As you guys can see, this is where I put my long position. I'm gonna put it right here. I was a little bit late, but you know, when you're using the replay mode, it's very hard to catch every single candle. So this is what I did. I'm not gonna lie, my stop loss was not exactly at 40,390. I usually just trail my stop loss like just a little bit under the 100% retracement, just in case we might get liquidated by the market. So I just put it just a little bit under. Yes, I risk a couple of more points, but it also lets the trade breathe good enough in order to not get liquidated like right around this area. So okay, so my actual target was, since we were in an all-time high position, I was just expecting the price to go just 150 points more than the previous all-time high, which is this one. So I was expecting the price to be at around this area right here, and let's see what happens. So this is not being greedy, because if I were to be greedy, I would put it all the way up here and expect for 40,700 to hit, or I wouldn't be like so close position to a 1 to 2 ratio. I don't really like to take those, but whatever. I usually like to target just a little bit up higher than the previous high. If you've seen my strategy, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And I hope you guys have seen my course, so you guys can keep up with me. So let's do it. So after the retracement happened around this area, I took the entry, the long position right here. We're live, and actually let me see if I can take a buy here. Well, whatever. We're in the trade at this point. We're in the trade. We had a little bit of retracement right here, as you guys can see, after the bullish candle, but then price decided to go up. We were almost at take profit, and there you go, we hit take profit. This is where I took my trade. I decided to take my profits here and just let the trade go. I was happy enough with my win, I was happy enough with my entry, and I was happy enough with my trade for the day. So at this point I just call it a day. It was a good 215 points, and I was pretty good. I was feeling pretty good about it. So I decided not to risk more money in the market and not to be greedy as well. So I just took my profits and I dipped, and then I left. And yeah, these were all the confirmations that made me want to be confident enough to take this trade. And remember guys, you also have to see what the market structure is. You never want to take sales on a bullish market structure, and you never want to take buys on a bearish market structure. You always want to go with the trend. Also, you have to look for price action. At this point, the price was pretty bullish to me. It was not giving me no confirmations of the price being bearish. So that's why it made me confident enough to take those buys. Also, remember to use the Fibonacci key levels. It might be a little bit tricky at the beginning, but after you start backtesting more this strategy, you're gonna find it so easy and useful at the time of trading indices. And yeah, basically that's about it. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys tuned in all the way to the end of this video, where I give you all of my sauce. Basically, I'll give you all of my strategies. And also, if you guys want to learn more about when I take these trades and where I send them to, I have a free Telegram. It's in the link in the description down below. It's completely for free. You can basically just go there, join, it's free, and I also send my trades and my analysis, and also every new alert I put it in the group chat just so you guys know everything about the market and everything about trading. And I hope you guys join. It's completely free. You guys are gonna like it. I'm almost at 100 members, so help me get to 100 members, guys. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to see more video, more content like this, like the vlogs and then breakdowns of the trades so it doesn't look all boring at the beginning of the video, let me know in the comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what you guys want me to cover, and I'll try my best to do so. So hope you guys like this video. Hope to guys see you soon, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.